Kia ora, my name is Shaneyce. I'm a kaiāwhina for Te Hauora Ngāpuhi. Whānau means everything. Without my whānau, I wouldn't have the supports and the structure and motivation I have today. Going to immunise my children, I was a bit scared only because of information you get from other communities and stuff, but actually going in there and actually speaking to a nurse or a GP and reassuring me that it's the safest option for my tamariki. Being their parent, I'm responsible for their health and I need to help them to get the best start in life, so immunising was the best thing to do for them. Immunisations are important not only for yourself as an individual, but for the wider community, for your whānau. Talk to your Hauora Māori, community provider or GP practice to make an informed decision about immunisations. Discuss any concerns you have and feel free to make an appointment if immunisation is right for you and your whānau. Hāpaitia Ngā Whānau, let's uplift the wellness of our whānau.